At EDC4IT, we believe in the power of technology. That is why we have made it our mission to assemble a group of highly skilled and supremely talented international instructors to deliver on-site and online courses on open source technologies that are essential now and vital for the future of your business. Based in mainland Europe, where we deliver most of our courses, EDC4IT's instructors travel the globe for our clients, making EDC4IT a frequent visitor to the training rooms of companies across Africa and the Middle East. With our high-quality courses that can be tailored around cutting-edge open-source topics of our clients' choosing, it is no wonder that we are in such high demand. Continually boosting our roster with new instructors, we offer flexible availability and can even stagger courses over weeks to suit the schedule of your team members. For a more practical option, why not book an Instructor-Led online course? Your team will still benefit from a live instructor ready to explain concepts in greater detail and answer questions in depth. You may also still tailor your course to fit your requirements. Contact us to take the next step. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and check out our website, edc4it.com. Power your future.